packing for Thailand, let me save you some headache and luggage space. In this video, I'm going to cover 7 what you should pack or should not pack before coming to Thailand. This list I have created based on my personal experience. Majority of it, you be educated about it. Let's get started. Before wasting any time, let's jump right on the first one, your face wash. I made mistake of not carrying my face wash and learned that all the face wash available in Thailand has bleach ingredients in it, which also adds on to lotions, or your moisturizers have whitening ingredients in them. If you are like me who do not prefer that, go ahead and pack your face wash already, which is, by the way, my friend, even if you don't carry, don't stress too much because everything is anyways available. Now, this is additional tip to avoid that moment, right? Along with that, the first one, what not to pack, your toiletries. All kind of toiletries, your basic shampoo, toothpaste, deodorants, all of that are available in Thailand. There is a store called Watson, so you will find all kinds of international toiletry in there. I personally would say if you are a guy and you don't too much have a preference, go ahead with 7-Eleven because you're gonna just grab whatever you need from 7-Eleven anyways. So next one, my friend, you may have a girlfriend or your wife, so it's important for you to make notes too. Tampons. You will find all variety of pads over here, but tampons can be really challenging to find. Even if you find, you're not gonna find variety. Likely you will not find your favorite brand tampon over here. So pack your tampons already. Alongside what not to pack, medication. You will find all kinds of medication over here, even the one that you need prescription for. In Thailand, you do not need prescription for most of the medication. Diabetes, thyroid, antibiotic, birth control, all of that you can just purchase here without having your prescription. Alongside, there is tons of clinics, hospitals, nice ones, affordable ones, so that is already covered. What I would rather recommend is if you already used to having certain type of medication under your prescription, look it up, compare the ingredients, and it should be very easily available. I personally needed some antibiotics one time and it was very easy for me to go ahead and purchase off the store. I kind of already made 5 essential to pack before coming to Thailand. Do not forget to check out that video already, and this is more so of extended version or the things that I might have missed out on that video. Next up, this is more so not into the packing category, but into the category which I personally didn't find. Sodas. And I'm not talking about just soda. Look, first of all, I am a Coca-Cola fanatic. I'm addicted to Coca-Cola, but I also know it's not good for your health. So I have other alternatives in America. My favorite brand is Zevia. When we went to Thailand, I couldn't find that. I did find like a regular straight up club soda, but I just couldn't find variety of different flavored sodas or zero sugar sodas options. So keep that in mind. Do pack your favorite snacks, your favorite drinks that may give you homesickness. A lot of them are not available in Thailand or very hard to find. What not to pack, that is a different equipment or electronic which do not have inbuilt voltage converter. Thailand and states have significant difference when it comes to electrical voltage. Do your research already. I learned it hard way. Like always, I had my hair dryer and I believe Thailand electrical system is 220 voltage in general, which is much higher than that of United States. Do keep that in mind. Fortunately, your phone charger, your laptop charger already has voltage converter inbuilt. That's something be mindful about because you don't want to destroy your electrical equipment. Another most important thing which I have mentioned in my previous videos already, that is, my friend, Amazon is not available in Thailand. Amazon do not cater in Thailand. Drop a comment below if you guys are interested to learn why so. Then I can do my research and make a whole different video about it. But the bottom line is Amazon do not cater in Thailand. They do have an online shopping version in Thailand which is called Lazada. Beautiful, amazing. The problem is a lot of product that is specifically available in Amazon or in your country is not going to be available in Lazada. So go ahead and pack those already. As well as Lazada don't give you prime privileges like next day delivery or third day delivery. Be mindful about that too. What not to pack, expensive jewelry. Yes, my friend, flashy jewelry. This is still a not super rich country. A lot of population in Thailand is still below poverty or struggling, hustling lifestyle. So you know what I'm talking about. It indeed is the land of smile. People mostly are very hospitable and nice to you, but then again, you gotta do what you gotta do to survive. So be mindful, be safe and careful. It just makes no sense anyways. It's extremely hot and humid in Thailand. It doesn't even add to the culture or the fun that you are here to experience. So do yourself a favor, leave your expensive necklaces, your super flashy diamond earrings, etc., or your Rolex watch in your house. Next up, sunscreen. You may ask me, okay, sunscreen is very much available in Thailand. It indeed is. But I personally found found all the sunscreen hyped up in price. Again, why shouldn't there? Because it is a necessity. You have to buy it anyways. So pack your favorite brand of sunscreen already if you want to save some bucks. Also, do have application XE, which is a money converter app that is again going to be part of your necessity because you don't know how much what product is supposed to be worth. So be mindful and keep converting any price that you're thrown. If you haven't already, check out my video about top essential app to have on your phone before traveling to Thailand. What not to pack? Your sunglasses. Yes, you will find sunglasses, cheap ones, nice ones, expensive ones, branded ones as well, all in here. You will not only find, but you will find in good budget as well. Besides sunglasses, even if you have prescription glasses, those are even hyperly affordable in here. Actually, I needed an eye exam. I learned that my prescription changed. So they said, okay, you buy glasses from us, eye exam, you don't have to pay. It's included, it's for free. I'm like, bingo, that's perfect. In the States, you can't do that. So yes, do not pack your sunglasses. You will find tons of option over here. UV protected, whatever kind you need. If you're somebody can't live without your Jordans, pack those too, because forget about buying international name brand shoes or international name brand clothing from Thailand, of course, because of the import taxes, etc. The prices are skyrocketing. Don't make that mistake. I would personally say you don't need it, but if you're somebody who want to, that's your signature or you like it so much, carry them already. Next up, what you do not need to pack. High heels, my friend. Do not let your girlfriend, your partner, make that mistake of packing high heels. Tell me how I know. I have a very sad story. It was a date night. Unlike any other day where I am living in my workout shoes or flip-flops, let me just put on those high heels. Biggest mistake ever. We are aware of Bangkok traffic, which is crazy. The location where we were going for a date night, that was in the walking distance. So my husband said, okay, the Grab is going to take an hour to arrive. Let's just walk. I didn't want it to take my shoes off. I'm like, okay, let's walk. I ended up walking on the shoes, ended up just taking it off at the restaurant halfway through. It was a mess. So yes, do yourself a favor, do not pack your high heels. Anyways, you can replace them with the nice evening flat shoes or kitten sandals. Those work better than high heels. Drop a comment below if you have experienced anything as such and anything else that I personally missed out that should be added in the video so that my viewers can learn about it. For those of you new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my future video. For those of you traveling to Thailand for the first time, go ahead and grab your 10 days travel itinerary. It's a free downloadable PDF, link in the description below. Next up is your underwear, your bra, your socks. I was not satisfied with what was available over here for the price range. My personal situation is I have a very weird body. For me, in order to get something was a little challenging. There is a different body ratio variables, people coming from Western countries versus the people in Thailand. So you may find it challenging finding your size underwear easily. So pack your underwears already before coming over here. What not to bring? Too many clothes. I can't stress much. Just pack enough, thinking that if you're stuck somewhere, because Thailand is a shopping destination too. I already made a video about Pratunam. Do check that out as well. And I have covered some major malls in there. So just go there and you will find a whole bunch of t-shirt, weather-friendly outfit, evening wears, flip-flops, shoes. None of them are name brand anyways. You may find some cheap items too, but you have to try it on and check it out. And the plus point is, when you're going back home, you will not think twice or mind much to discard it or donate it because they are inexpensive to begin with. It is a very hot and tropical place, so most of the time you will find yourself just wearing t-shirts, pants, and summer wears anyways. You can't think that over here you can just go about wearing that tank top and super mini shorts all day long. No, that's not gonna happen because a lot of places like temples or offices, they prefer not showing your shoulders. Needs to be covered. That happened to me. I went to my visa extension to the office and I was wearing a tank top and the officer called me out. The officer said, just wear a shirt on top of it next time. It was more so warning for me and I was kind of embarrassed, but yes, don't make that mistake. Share this video with anybody you think can be helpful too. And that would be it for today. Until next time, thank you.